Now, this is interesting. The news information coming in across as a sensational twist. As far as the very famous Sheena Bora case is concerned, there has been a sensational twist. The bones and the skeletal remains allegedly of Sheena Bora that were recovered by the police have gone missing. Now, the prosecution has told the CBI, the court there, that it is conducting a trial in the case and the remains belonging to Sheena Bora has gone untraceable. Now, this is a revelation about Sheena Bora's remains was made by the prosecution during the deposition of the forensic expert doctor from the state-run JJ Hospital in Mumbai's Byculla area. The court, which is currently recording the testimony of the forensic expert who had first examined the bones recovered by the police back in 2012 from the spot where Sheena Bora's burned body was allegedly buried. And the special public prosecutor told the court that the articles, the bones and the remains of the victim's body, which were referred and examined by the witness of forensics experts, are no longer traceable despite a deliberate and also a diligent search that was also conducted.
अब ये बहुत ही गंभीर विषय है क्योंकि सीबीआई यह देश की सबसे प्रीमियर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी है, उनसे ऐसी गलती नहीं होती। तो इसके चलते सीबीआई के पास ये अवशेष सच में आए थे कि नहीं आए थे, इस पर भी संशय निर्माण हो रहा है। ये रिपोर्ट पूरी तरह से इंद्राणी मुखर्जी के फेवर में है क्योंकि इसमें ना ही जो बॉडी रिकवर हुई थी उसका सेक्स या जेंडर, मेल फीमेल जो भी है, इसका एज और इसका मरने का कारण, ये तीनों इनकंक्लूसिव है। इसके चलते ये जो अभी नई डेवलपमेंट है कि अवशेष नहीं मिल रहे हैं, ये पूरे डिफेंस के फेवर में है।
Shweta is with us right now. Shweta, now this adds to the mystery, even when it comes to the remains or what is being said of Sheena Bora suddenly go missing.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, significant development, rather I can say strong twist has come into Sheena Bora alleged murder case. What we understand through the latest hearing which took place in Mumbai Sessions Court is that the public prosecutor has informed the court that the human remains, that 2 packets of bone which were substantial evidence, has gone missing. Apparently they are unable to trace it out, and this is the huge turn what the case has turned up to. What we also see is that the public prosecutor has informed that the crucial evidence has gone missing and they are trying to trace it out where exactly it is. Now, on this particular case, what we see is that CBI, including AIIMS, both the agencies are tight-lipped. In fact, the evidence had first got the forensic expert from JJ Hospital while it was found by paid police in 2012. But remember, when it comes to this particular case, only in 2015, this case got into light and then the dots were connected. Okay, in 2012, the human remains were found from Pain Raigad district. After the CBI had took over the case, the evidence of the body remains was sent to AIIMS for further study. Now from AIIMS, where exactly did the evidence go?
Right.
Did it actually reach back to CBI or not? Many questions have taken place. In fact, the case has in fact got more complicated.
Well, this adds to the mystery. We heard that coming from the lawyer of Indrani Mukherjee saying that the case now favors his client all the more, but questions even more arise and a suspicion as well when it comes to the remains, whether or not they were of Sheena Bora, how exactly they have gone missing during that important time when the case is being investigated.